Trashed, how to play. The object of this 2 to 4 player card game is to be the first player to win 3 rounds by playing all of the cards in your grid. Pick a dealer who shuffles the deck and deals 10 cards to each player one at a time, face down. Players do not look at their cards, but instead arrange them in a face down 2 by 5 grid in front of them. Place the deck face down in between the players and flip over the top card to form a discard pile. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, draw 1 card from either the top of the draw deck or discard pile and play it face up in the correct position on your grid. The top left of your grid is 1, then the numbers increase in sequential order to the right. Then again on the second row with the number 10 in the bottom right. Replace the face down card in that position with the correct card you drew. Now look at the face down card you revealed. You are allowed to play it in its correct spot in the grid if that spot is still face down. Continue playing cards to their correct spots until you match a card to a face-up number already in play, or you get a stop card. Then you discard that card and end your turn, and the next player goes. If the draw deck runs out of cards before the round ends, then shuffle the bottom cards of the discard pile into a new draw deck. If you draw or uncover a wild card, you may play it on any face-down card in your grid and continue your turn. If you draw or reveal a number card that matches the spot of a face-up wild, then you may replace that wild with your number and play the wild anywhere else on your grid. If you draw or uncover a stop card, your turn ends and you discard the stop card. If you draw or uncover a trashed card, you play it on any opponent's face-up number, replacing that number with the trashed card and playing that number card in your grid in the appropriate spot. If your opponent does not have face-up numbers to empty spaces on your grid, then you may not play the trashed card and must discard it and end your turn. The next player may draw that trashed card from the discard pile and play it on any player, including the player who discarded it. Face-up trashed cards in your grid need to be replaced by either a wild or a correct number card. The round ends when the first player completes their grid with all face-up cards. The dealer gathers all the cards and a new round is dealt, except this time, the winner of the previous round receives 1 fewer card. The next round is played like before, with the winner of the previous round playing with 1 fewer card needed to win. Repeat this process until one player wins their third round of 8 cards. Then they are the winner.